12 broiler feeding mistakes that kill growth and profits. Fix them now. If you're a broiler farmer, you need to watch this video till the end so that you get the best correction from the errors you have been making that's affecting the growth and productivity of your broilers. If you have not been making enough profit from your broiler farming, you need to watch this video. There are a lot of errors many farmers are making. I visited many farms, as we can imagine even. Most of the farms I visit, some are complaining that they feed the best feed. Some are using the best and the most expensive feed. I don't even know that some feed in the market is up to 28,000 naira per bag. Some are using those quality feed and still they are not getting the best result because of some of these errors I'm going to correct in this particular video. So watch the video till the end so that you get the best. Some of the errors you need to correct: overcrowding at the feeder, inconsistent supply, poor feed formulation, low quality feed ingredients, incorrect feed particle size, not changing at the right time. Some farmers don't change their feed at the right time. You continue giving them the same type of feed. Lack of proper water supply, ignoring feed conversion efficiency, and late transition between feed phases. Once they are over 2 weeks, change their feed to starter. Start with super starter, go to starter. From starter you now go to grower. From grower you go to finisher. This is how you can get the best and maximum result. And make sure you give them the right feed at the right time. Make sure they have steady water. Watch the video, you see some corrections I will make in this video. Follow the video till the end. 12 costly broiler feeding mistakes that kill growth and profit. Fix them now. Watch this flock here. These are broilers at 4 weeks. You notice some errors here, and I want to use these errors to guide you and teach you so that you learn from these errors. These broilers at this age are not supposed to be feeding with this flat feeder. This is tray feeder. Their feeder should be changed at this stage. This is 4 weeks. This is one of the errors you should discover here. Overcrowding at feeders. These broilers are overcrowding together and they can't grow well. There will be unequal growth and they can't get maximum weight. Yes, they may grow big, but their weight will be too low. You can see that they are crowding on flat feeder. They're supposed to change the feeder at this stage. Their feeder should be raised higher, and it's not a flat feeder. They have overgrown it. This feeder is for chicks. Inconsistent feed supply, poor feed formulation, low quality feed ingredients, incorrect feed particles, failure to provide enough protein, imbalanced vitamins and minerals, using expired or moldy feed, feeding at irregular intervals, lack of proper water supply, ignoring feed conversion efficiency, late transition between feed phases. Now, watch. You can see that the chickens are wasting the feed on the floor. This is another thing that causes low profit because most of the feeds are wasted. You can see them pecking on the ordinary floor. That to show you that most of the feed, they use their leg to scatter them on the floor. There's no how they can convert all those feed. And when they are trying to pick the feed on the floor, they may even pick bacteria that may cause another health issue, which you now start spending much money on medication. Avoid this. Please change their feeder as they are growing. You change from tray feeder to normal feeder for the age at which they are. They are 1 month now. Change the feeder so that you get the maximum weight, get maximum growth, equal growth, and best result, and make a better profit. All these errors need to be corrected. Fix them now so that you make your profit. The water is okay. Can watch this. See how the height of the water is okay at their stage, but you need to provide more drinkers for them at this stage. Now this fire should be removed. They don't need heat at this stage. The fire here should be removed completely. They can now generate their own body temperature at this stage. At this stage of their life, they need cross ventilation. They need more of air now than heat. Open up more space for them to get enough fresh air. Change the feed to grower mash at this stage. If you want to rear them beyond 8 weeks, give them grower now. After grower, start with finisher till the market weight. As a broiler farmer, use this video to correct some errors in your broiler farm today so that you get the best results from your investment. Many farmers are making these mistakes and more than this also. The number of years you have been farming broiler does not matter, but farming in the right direction is the best. No one is above and no one is above training. So you need to learn more as we continue to grow in the business. That's all I have in this particular video. Share the video to reach more farmers. Like, comment. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I will gladly answer you. Thank you for watching the video. Share the video to reach more farmers. And if you like this video, please give it a thumb up and share to other farmers.